How to install your Flash wireless SIM card. Follow these easy steps to install your Flash wireless SIM card. Turn off your phone. Step 2. Locate your SIM card slot. For phones with removable batteries, the SIM card is typically accessible after the back cover has been removed and the battery taken out of the compartment. For phones without a removable battery, look for the slide-out SIM tray. Insert the tip of a SIM tray tool or a small paper clip to open it. If you need help, follow the directions that came with your phone to find your SIM card slot. Step 3. Insert the Flash wireless SIM card. If you have a new phone, look for the missing corner on your SIM card. Match it with the missing corner on the SIM card slot and carefully insert your SIM card. If you brought your own phone and have a universal SIM card kit, remove your current SIM card from the SIM card slot if needed. Match your SIM card side to the standard SIM, micro SIM, or nano SIM in the universal SIM card kit. Pop out the correct size SIM card from the credit card size plastic card. If you happen to pop out a size that's too small, you can always push it back into the larger size you need. Look for the missing corner on your SIM card. Match it with the missing corner on the SIM card slot and then carefully insert your SIM card. Step 4. Turn your phone back on. It will take a few minutes for the SIM card to sync up to the network and configure the SIM card and phone for service. That's it! Your phone is now ready for use. Place a test call, send a text message, and surf the web to confirm your voice and data services are working. Flash purple and green SIM cards cannot be reused to activate new accounts. Welcome to Flash Wireless. Wireless done right.